Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally getting the opportunity to organize my linen closet. Now let me show you what it looks like because it's kind of embarrassing. We kind of just shove things in there and pray that the door will close because we just keep it closed at all times. It stresses me out every time I open it and I need to grab something. I should probably go through some of the stuff in there because when we moved into this house, I kind of just shoved a couple things in the bottom. There's really no rhyme or reason for how my linen closet is. It's a pretty big linen closet and there's just no reason or no excuse of why it should look like this, and I'm just ready to just get it over with, organize it, and hopefully it stays like this. Now before we move on to the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that down below and turn on that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And if you like this organization video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It just shows me what type of videos you guys are into. And other than that, let's get to organizing. So right off the bat, when I opened the closet, I got overwhelmed, and then I immediately questioned if I wanted to do this, but I knew I had to take some time and get it over with. So what I did was I started pulling everything out of the closet and just making piles in the guest room. And if you see me in two different outfits, it's because I split this up into 2 different days just because I had to work, it was getting late, and I was getting really overwhelmed. I kind of had a game plan before I even started taking things out of the closet. I knew what I needed to keep, I knew what I needed to throw away, and I just needed to figure out how to lay things out where it's functional and it stays neat for my entire family. To make the time go a lot quicker, I took down all my toiletries, put them in the living room, turned on the TV, and went to town. I was just playing around with all the bins that I got, and by the way, these bins were a major deal for me. I got them for about 90% off at Michael's. I filmed this in June, so if you are watching this around this time, definitely hit up Michael's if you are looking for storage bins, because I would never ever in my life spend tons of money on storage bins. I just think it's pointless. I just kind of wait it out and try to figure out when I can get a great deal like these. And then it was time for all the towels in the washcloth, so I took them downstairs. And I actually took the time to fold them neatly because my biggest flaw, and I will admit this, is that I just kind of roll them into a ball and shove them into the closet and stuff them in there. And I think that's my biggest issue, is just I don't take the time to do it. So I'm trying to hold myself accountable for all that. And I feel like putting them in bins and having a place for every little thing will make me be more organized. So I wanted to show you guys how I fold my fitted sheets, just because it's really functional, fast and easy. No one has time to do all that perfection Pinteresty stuff. So what I do is I lay my fitted sheet with the scrunchy side facing up, and then I take the bottom 2 corners and I tuck them into the top 2 corners. I straighten everything out because it's easier when you're folding everything, and then I fold it once horizontally, and then I kind of just roll it up like a burrito, like how you see me doing right there. Then I fold it up again to make a little square, and I just feel like it's fast, it's easy, it makes everything very compact where you can just kind of not shove, because I'm trying not to shove things back into my closet, but just fold things and place it in the corner where it looks really nice and neat. I use the larger bin for the toilet paper, that way it's just easy to grab whenever you need it. And then I kind of put my blankets and everything else into the smaller bins. I kind of just folded everything neatly. I took my time with folding everything because I wanted to make sure that I did it the right way the first time. By the way, comment down below if you still have your baby's blanket from the hospital, because I forgot I had it, and when I saw it, my heart melted. So when I was trying to figure out the layout of the closets, I put the things that I don't use very often up top. Like we don't use those comforters at all, really, just during the winter. And then I wanted to use the things that we use the most in the middle. I had to put the toiletries and the medicine and washcloths and stuff like that kind of up top, just because my toddler can reach it, and I was trying to put them like kind of in the middle and she was already trying to get at it. So I put them up there, and then I put the towels, the washcloths, the blankets and extra things kind of in the middle. And then in the lower drawer, or the lower shelf, I have more of like a stockpile, like extra toilet paper, extra diapers and wipes. And then on the very bottom, I made sure there was a place for an iron, because our iron is just kind of floating every time, like throughout the house, every time we use it. And then our humidifier, and then just my extra makeup and just extra miscellaneous things. I also had to bribe Elena and let her play with my makeup just so she can give me some time to organize. And it was just so cute watching her. And I finally finished and tackled my linen closet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you want to see more organizing videos, because I definitely have more closets and things to organize around the house. Comment down below and let me know what part of your house is kind of neglected and ignored, like my linen closet was. There's no judgment here. I just want to interact with you guys. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys next time.